here?
Yeah, I'm also professional.
Oh, you're a professional window cleaner? Okay.
A banana a day keeps the doctor away.
A banana?
Uh-huh.
I thought it was an apple a day keeps the doctor away.
Sissy said banana. Mama, did you know a watermelon's a fruit?
I did.
Did you know a banana's a vegetable?
No.
Sissy, how do you spell chicken?
C-H-I-C-K-E-N.
Right.
Like he knows.
How do you spell star and balloon?
He hears them going over spelling words. He'll give y'all a spelling test in the evenings and he'll just come up with random words. We interrupt the spelling bee to talk about supper. Tonight we're making pork chops, roasted carrots and parsnips, and salads. Sissy already got me a pan ready over here, so we're just gonna put these on here. And on these, we're just gonna put a little bit of olive oil and some salt and pepper. Okay, and they're going in the oven at 375. We'll go ahead and mix up the seasoning for the pork chops. We're gonna use some salt. That's probably about almost a tablespoon of salt. I have 8 pork chops, so I'm just gonna kinda guess about how much we need here. Now we'll put some pepper. A little over a teaspoon of pepper. I'm gonna do about half a teaspoon of garlic powder and half a teaspoon of ground sage. I'm gonna start heating up a little bit of oil in this pan. And I'm gonna grab my apron. When we get the pork chop started, we'll chop up an onion because we're gonna cook some onion in here once we finish the pork chops before we start the gravy. We're gonna make the gravy right in here when the pork chops get done. So we're just gonna season these pork chops on both sides. Now, is this hot enough yet? We'll cook these probably about 4 at a time. Oh, I have 9. Thought I had 8. We'll do 5 and then 4. I got the second batch of pork chops in now and we got the onion chopped up. I'm gonna mix up some of the stuff for the gravy. We need probably about half a cup of sour cream in here. Stir this up a little bit. We're putting a couple of teaspoons of spicy brown mustard. We need some milk.
Yes.
And we need about a tablespoon and a half of all-purpose flour in there. Okay, we'll mix all that together. Okay, flip these. We'll go ahead and open our beef broth. Alright, we're putting the onions in here now. We're going to let these cook for about 2 minutes. I think the carrots and all are done. Now we're pouring in the beef broth and we'll bring that to a simmer. Alright, we're simmering. We're going to put in the sour cream mixture. what's great, y'all? The gravy is amazing. Anytime you want gravy with pork chops, try that. I'm telling you, it's wonderful. Oh yeah, let me try a parsnip. That's good. They taste just like carrots to me. Some people say they taste a little different, but they taste like carrots to me. They're good. Cleaning this sink is so fun, but it's pretty fun. Me or Sissy, we never mind being the one to clean the sink.
Especially with the new brushes.
Like, look at her. She's over here right now really wanting to grab this brush and clean this sink. Manly wants to give it a go. Go ahead. How is it? Super fun? Now Sissy's turn. You ready for the best part? The rinse. Isn't that great?
Can I do it?
Hold it down, you got it? Okay, I'll do this part up here so we don't get water everywhere, okay?
Okay.
This thing is really a drying rack, y'all. You're supposed to lay it across like this and you can dry stuff on here, you know, let stuff drip dry. But my sink protector that was in here got messed up and I need to order a new one from Amazon. Walmart doesn't have sink protectors this big, so I just bought this drying rack and I'm kind of using it as a sink protector until I order one from Amazon. It works. Not quite long enough, but it works. Time to get the eggs.
Oh yeah, I have to race you to the chicken pen.
Oh, we got a race? I'm not wearing my racing shoes. Wait, Miss Turkey's gonna race you. Look at all these leaves. How you doing, Miss Turkey? Thank you, sir.
Can I jump on the trampoline real quick?
I bet it's covered in leaves. Hang on, there might be snakes in there. We need to blow all those leaves out of the way first.
Yeah, let's go get the blower.
Yeah, we'll get the blower. That way we can blow all those leaves.
Yeah, we need to blow these leaves real quick away. I'm this many this year.
You are, that's right. How do you feel to be 5 years old?
Good.
Does it feel different than 4? How does it feel different?
It feels like I'm already grown up.
Really?
And I don't play with toys anymore.
You don't? What about the toys you got for your birthday?
Yeah, I still play with those.
Okay. We got him some boots for his birthday, but they're a little bit too small. So we'll take them back and exchange them sometime.
Make them bigger?
No, we'll give them the little ones and they'll let us pick out some bigger ones.
Oh, these ones I've been wearing for years.
For years?
These ones must be old.
Yeah.
They're 7 years old.
I think you've been wearing them for about maybe 8 months, maybe 8 or 9.
They're 7 years old.
7, but you're not even 7 years old.
No, they're, I wear them a lot, so they're 7 years old now.
Oh, okay. Well, my shoes must be about 75. You can't even see the ice of brown hens mixed in with the leaves. They blend in, don't they? Oh, look. It's Donald J. Trump. Donald Trump done called me 2 times a day. That number called earlier and Manly brought it to me and I was like, you can just go put it back on the charger, and he said, who is it? And I was like, it's just Donald Trump. Let's put it back. It's just a recording, you know, saying to vote for Trump and all. But it's funny that it has his name on there.